Hi folks, welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to Camiguin Island, Philippines. And I just thought I'd put up a video about our garden. Now, it's mostly my wife that takes care of this garden. She's the one that planned it and is taking care of it. I had a garden in the same area before, but they didn't do a good job of making the garden. I didn't organize it or help supervise it, so I can't really complain. And they also used substandard soil. The soil they used was crap. So my wife got better soil, and she's using some compost that I made. It wasn't completely ready, that compost, but it was a lot better than just putting raw vegetation in with the dirt, I think. Anyway, it's the rainy season now here in the Philippines, so our plants are getting plenty of water, and everything seems to be growing well. Well, you can see there, that's the insulin plant, and you can also see our gate, our new gate, a little bit, and that's oregano. But I bought that oregano years ago, and it's still growing. Anyway, here's a look at some of the stuff we have there. That's garlic that you can see there. And she's also got radishes and carrots, I think, growing in there. And that's lemongrass, and that lemongrass was doing better before, but it got pulled up and put in something else. Now it's not doing so well. And in these bags she's got tomatoes, and she's got American style bell peppers. Here in the Philippines they have stuff they call bell peppers, but they're not. They're sweet peppers, but they're not bell peppers, and I don't really like them because, for one, they're small, and for two, the skins are pretty much inedible. They're non-digestible. Anyway, over here she's got more tomato plants. I think those are tomato plants. And and also the bell peppers. And she got the seeds for those bell peppers. She bought some American-style bell peppers at Gaisano's supermarket, and she saved the seeds out of them, and they grew. So that's a good thing, because the rest of these seeds that we have, radishes, tomatoes, and some other things, I bought the seeds online. And there's also some bok choy that we're going to plant, but we haven't planted yet. We hope to be able to get a few meals, out of these seeds. And like I say, it's the rainy season, so we're getting plenty of water. It rains about 2 hours a night here, and so they're getting plenty of water. So that's a quick look. So thanks for watching.